To fix a Troy Bilt lawnmower that won't start, it's essential to identify the root cause of the problem. Some common reasons for this issue include an empty gas tank, drained batteries, or a faulty spark plug. To resolve these issues, start by checking the gas tank to see if it's empty. If it is, fill it with the recommended type of fuel, which is unleaded gasoline with an octane reading of 87 or higher. Next, if the batteries are drained, locate the charging cable and connect one end to the lawnmower's charging port and the other end to an electrical outlet. Wait until the battery is fully charged before attempting to start the lawnmower. If the lawnmower starts, the problem was likely due to a drained battery. However, if it starts but stops again shortly after, the battery may be faulty and needs to be replaced. Another potential issue is a faulty spark plug, which can be identified by looking for signs of cracks, corrosion, or wear and tear. If the spark plug is damaged, replace it with a new one of the same type. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Troy Bilt lawnmower and get it running again.